Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to install and set up the Torrentio Stremio Addon step by step. This add-on allows you to stream movies and TV shows from various torrent sources directly in Stremio. Before we begin, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any updates. The first step in setting up Torrentio is configuring it to match your personal preferences. Open your web browser and visit the official Stremio Community Add-ons website. Search for Torrentio and click on Configure. This will open the Torrentio configuration page where you can customize various settings. Here you can select different providers, sorting options, and filter by resolution. The most important step is Debrid integration. If you use Real Debrid, select it as your provider and enter your API key from realdebrid.com AP token. Once everything is set, click Install and then choose OpenStremio.exe when prompted. Now that we've configured Torrentio, let's install it on your PC. This will sync the add-on across all devices where you use Stremio. Launch Stremio on your PC. You'll see a prompt asking to install Torrentio. Click Install. Once installed, you'll see a message confirming that Torrentio is now part of your add-ons. To verify, go to My Add-ons in Stremio, and you should see Torrentio listed. Now we need to sync Torrentio to devices such as Fire TV Stick 4K Max or Android TV interface. To do this, open the Stremio app on your device. This works for Fire TV, Android TV, and other Stremio-supported devices. Navigate to the Add-ons tab from the left-hand menu. Click Sync Add-ons. A message will appear saying add-ons successfully synchronized. Now, when searching for movies or TV shows, you'll see Torrentio links available for streaming.